Burner app review. Is it legit or a scam? So Burner app is a mobile app that gives you temporarily disposable phone numbers for calls and texts. It's designed to protect your real number when dealing with strangers, online marketplaces, dating apps, or any situation where you don't want to share your personal information. So the pros for this website is it provides disposable phone numbers for privacy. It's easy to create and discard numbers when no longer needed. It works well for online selling, dating, and short-term projects. It is also a established app with a good reputation in the privacy space. The cons is though, it is not free. It requires a payment for most numbers. It also has unlimited to certain countries, mainly US and Canada, and it has no advanced features like encrypted messaging or email, and it can be unnecessary for long-term business needs. So overall, Burner is a legit app that does exactly what it promises. Provide temporary phone numbers to protect your privacy.